What a way to spend a Sunday afternoon in December. Well, it's been over a month since I worked on the building. It's been over a month since I put out a video. Jamie and I, we've had just about every kind of sickness that's come along. A lot of people sick in the area. Nothing serious, but sinus infection, coughing and hacking, eye infection. I had to go to the eye doctor and get some antibiotics to clear that up. It was bad. That was the worst I've ever had as far as an eye infection. So the antibiotics knocked it out. So today's December the 18th. This is the first time I felt like working on the building. As you can see, I'm way behind. I'm not going to get in a hurry now. I don't care if it's winter time or not. I like cold weather. But this morning it was kind of bad when my son and I started. He helped me get up 2 sheets. He's working the night shift, so he's asleep now. So I'm just taking my time and piddling along with it. We'll eventually get it. So thanks for watching up until now. Time to go cut another one. Don't think it, Lila. It's gonna kick out from under me. Well, that's enough for today. Sun just went down behind the horizon. My stomach's talking to me. A little cold. This breeze is making it bad. So I'll start working on it tomorrow when it warms up a little bit. In case I don't get out another vid between now and Christmas, I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and enjoy your time with your family.